Chemical exposure and freezing damage to tanks and equipment can stop operations and cost thousands of dollars if not proactively managed. Start by scheduling a regular tank cleaning program using an approved detergent like Nutrasol to remove residues that can accelerate corrosion or cause chemical reactions when temperatures drop. Before cold weather, drain fluids that can freeze and move portable pumps, meters, and control panels indoors or into insulated storage to prevent crack and seal failure. Train staff with step-by-step winter prep checklists that include isolating chemical lines, applying compatible antifreeze where safe and appropriate, and labeling all treated lines so future crews understand what was done. Perform walk-around inspections weekly during freeze risk periods and document findings in a simple log noting date, person, condition, and corrective action to create accountability and a maintenance history. Use anodes or corrosion inhibitors compatible with stored products to protect metallic surfaces after cleaning and before long idle periods. Consult material safety data sheets and product suppliers to verify compatibility. Maintain spare critical parts such as valve seats, gaskets, and pump seals on site so you can replace failed items quickly without waiting for shipments. Common mistakes include skipping post-cleaning rinses, which leaves detergent residues that can react during freezing. Always rinse thoroughly with potable water and verify pH and residue levels before returning equipment to service. Another frequent issue is storing equipment outdoors without adequate insulation, which leads to brittle fractures in plastics and seals. The fix is to bring units indoors or wrap them with rated insulation and use low wattage heat tapes with thermostatic control. Teams often lack formal records, so problems recur because owners cannot trace past actions. Keep a simple, dated log with photos and signatures and audit it before high-demand seasons. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work related to maintenance and protection of tanks and equipment. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, experiences, and checklists so users can learn practical ways to reduce downtime and control costs.